4 Secret Ways to Make Money with Whop in 2025. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Norbipol TV channel. Today, I'm about to reveal 4 secret ways to make money with Whop in 2025, strategies that most people don't even know exist. If you're looking to build passive income, launch digital products, or even flip access to digital tools, this is the video for you. Please subscribe to this channel for more passive income video like this. Let's dive right in. 1. Resell software subscriptions. Did you know you can resell software subscriptions on Whop? Yes. Find in-demand tools like AI bots, trading scripts, or Discord tools. Negotiate access with the owner, and then resell that access to your own community using Whop's built-in storefront. You don't need to code, just set your price, add your access links, and boom, passive income. Pro tip: use TikTok or Instagram to promote these tools to a niche audience like traders, sneakerheads, or gamers. 2. Sell digital services. You can sell digital services like custom AI prompts, Notion templates, ChatGPT automations, or Canva designs or Resume templates. You create once, upload to Whop, and people buy repeatedly. The cool part? Whop handles payments, customer access, and even has affiliate tools so others can promote your product. 3. Launch a paid community. Have knowledge or experience in something like investing, reselling, or productivity. Use Whop to build a paid Discord or Telegram community. Add exclusive content, resources, live calls, and charge a monthly fee. Whop makes it super easy to manage membership access and offers built-in analytics so you can scale. Example: a fitness coach can offer exclusive workouts and meal plans via Discord. 4. Become a Whop affiliate. Last but not least, become a Whop affiliate. You can promote other people's products listed on Whop using your unique link, and earn a commission every time someone buys. No product? No problem. You can still make money by sharing top-performing tools on YouTube, Twitter, or even in Facebook groups. Extra tip: choose high-converting products with recurring commissions for long-term passive income. There you have it, 4 secret ways to make money with Whop in 2025. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which method you'll try first. And if you want me to show how to set up your first Whop store step by step, let me know below.